So anyway, just wanted to give you a shot of all the goodies. I mean, Dale and I came to the range and we came loaded for bear. Anyway, these are some of my optics right here. I got aim point micro, I've got a hammer sight, I got old school aim point, got a Leopold. Anyway, all good stuff. I got some laser designators, IR. I got my AK right here, which I'm kind of really excited about because I put a rail system on it. It's got a PWS compensator on it and a light. Another thing I do too, is sometimes I'll shoot with my elevation training mask. I use it at the gym a lot, but sometimes I'll use it on the range. I'll run up around the hill and back down, really get my heart rate up, breathing to simulate stress. Anyway, just some bags on the ground here. This is Dale's stuff right here. You know, he's got his own 45, Dale's big 45 guy. You know, got a little bit of everything. You know, if you're going to train, train. One of my favorite M4s right here, Soft Mac. It's got a Vitel 100 IR laser designator, light laser combo, EOTech. Really cool flared magazine well that's built into the gun. It's part of the lower receiver. It's badass. Great when you're doing reloads with gloves on. And it's actually, this is called a combat diver grip. It's actually skateboard tape, but it's impregnated right into the grip of the gun. Here you go, down and dirty, man. Remington 870 Express Magnum. I'm gonna give it to you straight. Shoots 2 3/4 inch, 3 inch, and 3.5 inch magnums. Got a poly choke on it. My vote for the best survival gun. Guys will say M4s, pistols, whatnot. The reason I say a 12 gauge shotgun, I can take waterfowl, birds, rabbits, people. You know, multi-versatile gun. I can put shock lock rounds into breech doors. Anyway, take big game with it with slugs. This is my go-to survival gun right here. Over here, I've got a little 25 automatic, little pocket gun. It's a cheapo gun, but it actually is pretty damn accurate for how small it is. One of my favorites, Walther P22 suppressed. That's a James Bond gun right there. And then my Mac Daddy, this is my competition gun. This is a Zevtech custom Glock 34, had the slide lightened up. Again, skateboard tape grip, flared magazine. Well, it's a great gun. I also slap on a Surefire light laser combo. Working our way down here. Kit. Let me talk about this real quick. I mean, this is another video, but my favorite kit. If I had $1 again for every time somebody asked me, this is it. It's made by London Bridge Trading out of Virginia, and it's a Rhodesian style vest. Carry 8 mags. The thing I love about this vest, it is so well balanced. It just fits great on me. You can carry 8 mags. You can carry 2 embitters, 2 pouches. You can actually put a 55-90 in each one of these, so it can extend your battery time instead of just using the battery off of an embitter. 2 frag pouches on the outside, and then you've got your pistol, 2 pistol pouches right here. You can also put flotation material on the inside if you're swimming, doing some combat diver stuff. And then, of course, I got my knife. And you can also attach a backpack on it. So this is the real deal. This is a kind of a carbon copy. And I'm not a fan of carbon copies, but if you don't have the budget for one of these are about, you can buy them used online for about $350. But London Bridge Trading, they stand by their stuff. This thing's for life. This is a $100 copy. It's made in China. You know, this is the 1961 Alpha Romeo. It's got the zipper. This is actually the 1961 Alpha vest. You got your comm wire routing. It's very, very well designed. From what I'm told, Dev Group designed this thing. I've seen a lot of their guys wearing it, and I bought one of my own. I really, really like it. And last but not least, I've got is my very first Colt M4. I'll never sell this gun. I've actually had people want to buy it from me. I'm not selling it. A lot of sentimental value. It's actually one of the originals. It's got the bayonet lug on it. But anyway, I've shot this gun so much. It actually, the rifling in it, it's kind of shot, to be honest with you. Rounds are starting to tumble out of the muzzle. But anyway, old school. It's got a mil-spec aim point, mil-spec EOTech, mil-spec red dot sight, mil-spec Chicon sight, old school Surefire light, and I've got another Leopold scope right here. But anyway, and it comes in a badass case. Everything's laser cut. But yeah, this thing is, I'm going to be buried with this thing, I think. But anyway, So yeah, we've been out shooting all day. I mean, it's great. You know, I love taking the time to shoot and train with Dale. And again, this is all depreciating skill. You know, you don't shoot, you don't train. You know, things kind of go sideways when the shit hits the fan. But anyway, we'll be making more videos, guys. If you like what you're seeing, just ring the bell.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.